With me here is the MacBook Pro M1 2020, and right here is the MacBook Pro 2023 M3. Yes, now this M1 is a 13-inch laptop, while this M3 is a 14-inch laptop. So my video today, I'm going to be comparing both of them and telling you which one should be going for in the year 2024. Okay, now both laptops, both MacBooks, there are things I love about them and there are things I don't like about them. So I'm talking about both of them today, and at the end of this video, you decide which one should go for. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is the design of this M1 MacBook Pro 2020. Alright, so on the design, you can see the ports. On the left hand side, you have two Type-C USB ports, and by the right hand side, you have just the headphone 3.5mm jack. Okay, then for this, you have on the left hand side of the M3, you have the MagSafe charging ports. You have two Type-C ports, and you have the 3.5mm jack. Okay, on the right hand side, you have HDMI ports. You have one Type-C port, and you have one SD card slot. Okay, now so looking at both of them on the port, I prefer this M3 port because let's say for example I'm done shooting videos on this my camera over here. I have to bring it out and slide it in on this M3 without getting any of the adapter, right? Or if I want to edit my monitor behind me, right, all I need to do is just to get the HDMI cable and plug it here, and that is good. Okay, and one fun thing about even all those ports on all the sides, right, this Type-C port and the MagSafe charging port, they can all be used for charging. Okay, yes, you can all use them for charging. While on this M1 MacBook Pro 2020, just these two ports that you can use for charging. Okay, and for you to put in your SD card to edit video, you need to get this adapter. Can you see it? This adapter to be able to do it, right? And to plug in your HDMI cable and for. So in terms of that, I prefer this M3. However, there's some other with normal Type A cable, which you still need to get an adapter for both of them, right? Because I still use that Type A cable, so I still going to need it for this my M3. So now apart from the ports beside it, okay, so talking about the design, right, the feel is different. While this M1 MacBook Pro 2020 feels more like an aluminum finishing, this feels different. Like this feels more sleek. This M3 feels more sleek. When you open my hands on it, it's just so cool, guys. Yes, and now there's something worthy of notes on the design. I'm talking about feeling it, right? Now under this MacBook Pro 2020, there is nothing there, just this designed by Apple, Link, and the rest of them. But now under this M3 MacBook Pro, see, you have this inscription of the MacBook Pro. Like it's, guys, the feel of this laptop is just so cool, like everything. And even though this MacBook Pro M3 is heavier than this M1 MacBook Pro, I still like how it is. So now the next thing on my list here is the keyboard. Yes, the keyboard on both MacBooks. So on this M1 MacBook Pro, we can see that they still use the keyboard setting from the 360 MacBook, which has this touch bar and it also has a touch ID. Okay, so if I want to increase or reduce the brightness of this Mac, I have to use this touch bar, or let's say increase and reduce the audio volume, or if I'm playing a music or I'm watching a video, right, I can do it on this touch bar over here. However, on this M3, guys, on this M3, you don't have this touch bar. You only have the touch ID, which I use to unlock your MacBook with your fingerprint. When it comes to increase your brightness, reduce your brightness, or the audio, or reduce the audio and all, you need to use the button for it. So you can see it, right? You need to use the button for it. So this is the difference between both of them. And as you can see on this MacBook Pro 2020, there is this MacBook Pro written just slightly below the screen, while there is no MacBook Pro written on the M3. And probably the MacBook Pro was written below the screen of this M3 was written on that, and that was why we don't really have the detailed MacBook Pro under the M1 2020. Okay, so now this is the major difference on the keyboard. However, the speakers are on both sides of both MacBooks. Now for the display, while this M1 MacBook Pro 2020 uses this Retina display, this M3 uses a Liquid Retina XDR display. Okay, so this MacBook Pro M3 has a better display quality than this M1. has a better refresh rate. Guys, when you're working on this or watching movies on this M3, editing videos and all, you can see the clear difference between both of them. This M3 quality is just so nice and wonderful. So you're going for this in terms of the quality also. Yes, this M3. Now, to the audio, webcam, and the mic. Okay, so while this M1 MacBook Pro uses the 720 HD FaceTime camera, the M3 on the other hand uses this 1080p HD FaceTime camera. So, but let's forget about the 720 and the 1080p and the rest of them. Let's just look at the quality of both camera. Yes, both HD camera. If they are also the sound, the microphone from both MacBooks. Let us see which one is better. So guys, this is the 1080p HD FaceTime camera on the MacBook Pro M2. Let me know what you think of the quality, okay? And you can also check out my other videos so you can see the difference between this quality and the quality on the M1, the M2, the 2015 MacBook Pro, 2019 MacBook and the rest. Okay. Alright, so this is the webcam of the MacBook Pro 2020. So what I want you guys to do, so let me know in the comment section, is it okay? We can also check out the sound quality also. I want you to also check out the sound quality. Now for the performance, guys, okay, so I have been using this MacBook Pro 2020 for a while to edit my videos, and I can tell you that I have been able to edit my 1080p videos clearly, my 4K videos clearly, right, without any lag or hanging, right? But along the line, after I am working for a very long time, because there are days where I sit down, I edit lots and lots of videos on my system. I just have to relax a bit, let the laptop breathe. Yes, okay. But on this M3 MacBook Pro, guys, this M3 is a powerhouse. This M3 is a very spectacular chipset on this MacBook Pro. Like, it can work on a lot of tabs at the same time. Let's see, I'm editing video on Premiere Pro right here. I am opening different tabs on this, on my monitor over here, opening tabs to get my videos over here, and all of this at the same time, and it is not going to lag or hang. So can you see the difference? This M3, as supposed, because guys, this M1 came out 2020, this came out 2023, so 3 years apart. The M3's performance is meant to be better than the M1. However, guys, this M1 can still handle your day-to-day tasks, be it video editing, be it your normal, you're scrolling through the net, you are typing documents and the rest of them. I am not used to play game because I'm not much of a gamer, right? So I cannot say about game, but I think video editing is one of the heaviest tasks you can do on a MacBook, so that can suffice for gaming, right? Yeah, so in terms of performance, this M3 is a very nice laptop for that. Now for the battery life, okay, so I've been using it for a while. Well, you should know that I actually got this M1 pre-owned. Okay, so I got it pre-owned, that was as of a few months ago. Let's say I've used it for over 3 months and up, right? And I also got brand new. Okay, so it was purchased brand new. This is M3 purchased brand new. So from that, you should know that the M3 is going to last longer than this M1. Okay, because someone has been using mine for years and before I even got it from the person, which means the battery capacity will have reduced, right? But regardless of me getting this pre-owned from someone, this M1, even though I got it a brand new, this M3 will still beat this M1 in terms of the battery. It's a long-lasting MacBook. However, I'm not saying that right now this MacBook Pro M1 does not last. It stays at least 5 hours when I'm editing the video, without charging it. So guys, 5 hours. So this is actually very nice for when I'm performing heavy tasks. And when I'm doing, let's say, watching movies or not doing anything, this can stay for a very long time. But regardless of how long this stays, it's a long-lasting MacBook Pro. Yes, the M1, but this M3 is still way better than it, because at this point I'm talking about differences and similarities between both of them, and which one should go for, right? So you can see the difference over here. Now for the software update, it's very obvious that you expect this M3 to receive the macOS update till 5 years time, right? Yes, because it came out 2023, the latest macOS update as of last year, and the latest updates this year has not been released at the time I'm making this video. So you can see that it's going to be getting latest update 5 years and who knows when, right? Because up to this year, the 2019 MacBook Pro is going to be getting, the latest update this year. So if you do the calculation like that, then you can see that, okay, yes, this is also going to be getting it as of 5 years time and even more than that. Now, off to the MacBook Pro M1 2020. Since this year, the 2019 MacBook Pro is also going to be getting the macOS updates. This will also be getting it too, right? And it means next year and probably next 2 years, this will also be getting it. But I'm not certain of next 3 years or next 4 years. I think the M1 MacBook Pro will be getting the latest software updates. So now to the pricing of both of them. Okay, now like I said, I got this my M1 MacBook Pro pre-owned. Like I'm not certain you can see any brand new. Okay, so I got it at $600. Nice pre-owned, and then converted to Naira, that was around, let's say, 900k or so, or around 1 million, right? Whenever I say that, it sounds very heavy in my mouth and very big in my ear, like 1 million Naira for a MacBook Pro. Well, this has been serving me, right? And for this MacBook Pro M3 is actually $1,599. Yes. So let's just say it's $1,600. So the M3 is $1,000 more expensive than this M1 MacBook Pro. So now, which one will you be going for? Should you go for this M1 MacBook Pro? Should you go for this M3 MacBook Pro? Well, it all depends on how much you have. If you have the money to spend on the M3 MacBook, because it's actually be better than the M1 in every single thing, right? Go for the M3. Yeah. But if you just have $600, and who knows, by the time making this video, the price of this M1 may have come down in the market, maybe now $500, who knows, right? You can just definitely go for this M1 because, guys, it can still handle both your heavy task, which is the video editing, and your day-to-day task, which is shopping through the net and doing every other thing you do on your laptop. Okay, you can definitely just go for this M1. Okay, but for fact, guys, do you know that this M3 is more affordable than the M2? Yes, I talked about this, the way I explained just everything about the M3, right, on the video on just the M3, okay, because I really made specific videos on both of them, so you can just go and watch them individually to get more insight on which one you're going to go for, okay. So I'll basically in my next video as I talk about, everything you need to know about your MacBook, your iPhone, your Android, your Samsung, iPad, and everything, okay. So guys, see you.